What's up, guys? I'm on my way home, just got off from work. Just wanted to give you all a Kia Stinger update. It's not good. It's nothing mechanical, it's all cosmetic. I got some paint chips on the top of my hood, and if you own a Stinger, let me know if you're experiencing, paint or cosmetic issues with your vehicle, and if you talk to the dealer and what was the end result of it. I have an appointment on Saturday to take it up to the dealer to see what they say about it. I hope they fix it, because I only drive 5 minutes to work, so I know it's not road chips. I'm gonna put some pictures in this video so you guys can see it. And yeah, I'm not happy about that, because as much as this car costs, you would think the paint quality would be a little bit better than what it is. But again, that's life. So hopefully Kia will correct the problem, and we can move forward from here. But I got some car shows that I want to go to and put her in, and these chips on the paint, that's not a good look, not especially for a car that's less than a year old. It's like, come on, man, really? So I'm hoping Kia resolves the issue. I hope they take care of it real quick, and I'll keep you guys updated. So yeah, that's my Kia Stinger update for right now. I am going to do another launch control for you guys. I got a lot of stuff that's going to happen with the channel. Stay tuned. It's going to be a nice video coming up this week. So yeah, so stay tuned.